Hey, welcome back to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that's going to make you a better buyer of your business insurance. Click subscribe below so you don't miss future content. Today I want to talk to you about captive insurance agents or marketing reps compared to independent insurance agents. If you're shopping your insurance, you may have heard of both. So what is a captive agent or marketing rep? It's a person that can represent one carrier exclusively. XYZ insurance company decides to sell their insurance product through their own full-time sales staff, and that's the only option that salesperson can offer to you as a business. Now, the pros to that is that it's exclusive, right? So no one else can offer that product to you. So you kind of have to talk to them if you want to see what that insurance company has to offer. Another pro is that marketing rep can know that product really, really well because that's the only product that they represent. So if there's some unique exclusions or endorsements on some other on insurance policies, they would know what those would be and what their benefits are to working with them. Okay, now the pros to the independent insurance agent is that they're independent, right? So they represent multiple carriers. When you want to renew your insurance, you want to make sure you're getting the best deal. So they can truly shop the marketplace and make sure that you are, with the best market for your business. Also, this agent isn't handcuffed. So if you build a strong relationship with a marketing rep or an agent, well, if you're with a direct marketing rep, you could have a great relationship with that agent or marketing rep, and their company they work for might be jacking up prices, and then they're basically handcuffed. They can't bring you any other options. The independent agent on the other side knows your business very well, and if they have you with a carrier that's jacking up prices, they just say, okay, well, we'll look at the 5 other carriers we represent. We'll move you with one of those 5, which this is a benefit because ideally an agent's a partnership, right? You want to work with an agent who knows your business because that can help. They can help fight for you, advocate for you if you have a claim, but also explain your story to the underwriters and help negotiate on your behalf. So that's the kind of the differences between a captive agent and an independent agent. Now, one moot point I want to talk to you about is if a captive agent calls on you and says, hey, we're direct, and in your mind you think, oh, direct means savings. That's not the case because the direct underwriter is still paying commissions, salary, etc., to their full-time employees, where the insurance carriers who sell through independent agents, they just pay on a commission basis. So that's built into their cost as well. So both final premiums have that account for paying their sales staff, I guess, if you will, or their independent agents commission. That's built into their pricing. So it's really a moot point. Now, if you go with an independent or a captive market and they're cheaper, they could just be very aggressive, right? They have a certain niche that they want to go after. It might make a lot of sense to look that route, but they're usually not cheaper because they're direct. So just kind of wanted to bring that to light. But either way, I think it makes sense to talk to both, right? If you have if you're in an industry and there's a captive carrier that has a good reputation in an industry and there's a marketing rep that's local that talk with both, right? Or if you're with a captive for a long time and you have an independent agent calling on you, talk with the independent agent just to make sure that your head's not in the sand and you're missing out on some massive savings potentially. So if you found this helpful, click subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.